Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Comfee Portable Washing Machine. Today, we will explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a fully automatic washer, we've got you covered. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub is a manual washer, requiring users to operate it manually for washing and spinning. In contrast, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is fully automatic, offering a range of wash cycles and settings at the push of a button. This makes the Comfee more convenient for users who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. When it comes to pricing, the Super Deal is significantly cheaper at just $113 United States dollars, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. On the other hand, the Comfee is priced at $249 United States dollars, reflecting its advanced features and fully automatic operation. The choice here largely depends on your budget and how much you're willing to invest in a washing machine. In terms of capacity, the Super Deal offers a washing capacity of 8 pounds, which is slightly larger compared to the Comfee's 0.9 cubic feet. This means that the Super Deal can handle larger loads at once, making it suitable for users who frequently wash bigger items. However, the Comfee's compact design makes it easier to fit into tighter spaces, which may be a deciding factor for some. In conclusion, both the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Comfee Portable Washing Machine have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, portable option, the Super Deal is a great choice. However, if you prefer convenience and advanced features, the Comfee is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.